Me and Tesco, we're back with another great recipe that's going to help you guys get more fruit and veg into your life in style. Now, one of the great things that Tesco have done this month is they've put a whole load of fruit and veg on Clubcard Prices. So it's great value, and let me show you this dish. This is my spring veg linguine with asparagus, beautiful sweet peas, parmesan, lemon. It's really quick, 5 minutes to do a beautiful dinner. Let's do this. I've got one pan on with some boiling water. First up, I've got 2 bunches of asparagus, about 500 grams. So just cut it in half, and this half here is gold dust. Don't lose it, don't throw it away. This makes the most amazing pasta sauces, beautiful soups. So we will keep this, and it's gonna be amazing. And then I use this half, which is the more tender half, the lovely asparagus tips. Take a knife, and at an angle, just slice the asparagus. Now this will be one of your 5 fruit and veg a day. I'm gonna get some lovely frozen peas. Frozen peas for me are an absolute essential. I always have them. And 320 grams of this is your second fruit and veg in one dish. Now, pasta, you can use dried linguine or spaghetti, no trouble at all. I'm gonna use fresh linguine. It's brilliant. One bag is 300 grams. This will be more than enough for 4 people. It's gonna be really nice. It cooks really quickly, about 3 or 4 minutes, as does our peas, as does our asparagus. It all goes in, give it a little stir, and the lid goes on, 3 or 4 minutes max. It's gonna be great. Let me show you the easiest dressing sauce ever. Get yourself a jam jar. I'm gonna use a lovely lemon. Give it a little roll. It just kind of gets the oils in the zest really getting nice. Smells amazing already. Get a fine grater, like that. Really fragrant. Then I'm going to cut this lemon in half. So just squeeze that in. I want about 1 centimetre of juice in there. Beautiful. I'll have a little pinch of salt and pepper, and you want 3 times the amount of extra virgin olive oil than lemon juice. And you can just do that visually. To add even more flavour to this, get your fine grater again, and you want just 1/4 of garlic. Just that little bit of garlic will give you that kind of wonderful fragrance that's going to be so good. Then mint. Take the bigger leaves, roll it all up. Just finely slice it or chop it. I love using herbs. You don't need to use as much salt to season your food because you've got flavour. Give it a little shake, and that'll be really, really good. What I love about this is the simplest and most delicious dressing, marinade, or pasta sauce. That's ready to go. This is when I call all my hooligan children around the table. Kids, it's lunch. You know, it takes ages these days, so I might have to turn the Wi-Fi off and they just come out of nowhere. It's nice to use a big platter. So you can see the water's now come to the boil again. It smells amazing. It really does. A little important trick. Get yourself a little cup or bowl and just steal some water, because what we're going to do now is pour away this water, and that water is very important for getting your consistency right for your pasta. Now we can go back into this pan. Look at that. Go in with our lovely dressing here. Grate in 30 grams of fresh parmesan. Just a little bit of that cooking water. Get your tongs and then almost dress it like a salad. So shake the pan, go around the edges, and the water, that lovely dressing, and the parmesan will come together to be the most incredible harmony. You can smell that garlic. And we don't want this to be thick and claggy. So if it looks like it might be a little bit thick, then we can go in with a little bit of that cooking water again. So once you've mixed it up, that's kind of it, guys. That is the dish. It smells amazing. It really does. Full of the good stuff. You know, not many ingredients, but they're beautiful ingredients. And then to finish that off, a couple of long strokes of parmesan, a few of those little mint leaves. The smells coming out of this dish are amazing, you know, and then just serve it at the table. You know, for the kids, I normally whack it on a plate, but if you've got friends coming around, this feels really nice. Happy days, enough talking. Let's get in there. Look at that, come on. Hot, steamy, shiny, delicate sauce. Wow, beautiful. Mmm. Bloomin' delicious, my lord. So there you go, guys. That is my springtime linguine, full of joy, full of flavour. Just get the recipe online, get down to Tesco, get the ingredients, get home, have a cook up. But most importantly, enjoy yourself. Take care.